Okay, I was given the equation of a plane and the position vector of a point P, and I needed to work out the shortest distance from point P to the plane. I've just taken this straight from the formula sheet that you're given, where we've got the equation of a plane like this, point given as a coordinate like that, and the shortest distance between that point and the plane is this formula. So I've just applied this formula to this plane and this point. So n1 we can see is -3, n2 is 2, n3 is 3, d would be 7, because I'm going to move this 7 over here, so it'll be a +7 to make that in this form. And obviously alpha, beta and gamma are -1, 2 and -3 respectively. So substituting these into the formula gives me 5 over root 22, which is 1.066 to 3 decimal places. Part B, we needed to reflect point P in the plane to get point Q. So I've just drawn a little sketch of what's going on. I've got the plane here with the normal vector -3, 2, 3, which I worked out from here, -3, 2, 3. Here's point P, and I want to work out the coordinate here. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to work out the equation of the line PQ. Then I'm going to find out where that intersects with the plane, and then double it to find point Q. So, the equation of the line PQ, well, I know it goes through this point, and I know it's going to have the same direction that the normal vector has, because this line is always going to be perpendicular to the plane. If I'm reflecting something, if I'm reflecting a point in the plane, it's always going to get reflected in a line that's perpendicular to the plane. So the equation of the plane, the equation of the line PQ is this. To find out where that line intersects with the plane, so to find out this point here, I'm going to substitute this in this form into the equation of the plane. So instead of r, I'm going to write -1 minus 3 lambda, 2 plus 2 lambda, -3 plus 3 lambda. So I've substituted the equation of the line into the plane from up here. Then expand this out, work out the value of lambda. So I found that when lambda is -5 over 22, that's this point here. So this point here will be double that, so -10 over 22. And if you substitute that into here, you'll be able to work out the coordinate of point Q. So the answer to this would be the exact coordinate of point Q.